Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this channel consists of tutorial videos on how to grow your print-on-demand business, how to create designs for beginners, and also advanced tutorials for designers using Canva, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So if you are interested in growing your print-on-demand business or improving your designing skills, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, I will show you how to use Canva to promote your designs on all social media platforms in a couple of clicks and without the need for any other tools. To do that, let's open our Canva account. From the home screen, we are going to click on Social Media. Then choose the Quick Create option. This option will enable us to create multiple posts from any social media platforms all at once, as you will see in a second. Now, we have the option to choose the social media platforms we want. We can click on more than one at once. For this example, I will choose Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. As you can see, there are many templates available for us to choose from. And of course, any of these templates can be customized. We can change text, images and even colors. But before choosing the template, we need to add our text. I will add random text. We can add the main text and some additional text in the second window. Now I will choose one of the templates. We can also change the color palette of the template to see how it looks. I like this template. I will change the image and use one of my mock-up images. I have created this design in my last video. If you are interested to see how I made this design, you can watch this video on my channel. Now we have 4 templates created for the social media platforms we have chosen. All of them have the correct dimensions for each platform. Now, let's play with the font and choose another one. Let's play with the color as well. I think I like the black color. Now once we click the Finish button, the 4 designs will be created. As you can see, now we have 4 designs created for our platforms. If we want, we can still make changes to each one separately. I will do some additional changes to the Pinterest design. From the top menu, we can choose to download the design directly to our computer, or to publish it directly to our Pinterest account. As an additional feature, we can choose to schedule the post to be published on our Facebook account on another date or another time. Of course, all the full features are available only in the Canva Pro account. In the description, you will find a free 1-month trial to Canva Pro. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.